Hey guys, Ashley Moore, 4-H Program Assistant in Kentucky County Extension Service. Today I'm going to show you how to use recycled materials and common items found in your home to mix chemistry and make your own powered boat. For this little activity, let's use a recycled water bottle. Make sure it does have a lid on it. And you want to poke a hole in the end of it and put a straw through there. Probably about half the straw length. And then you want to hot glue around it so it doesn't have any leaks and also secures your straw in there. I have about 1/4 cup of vinegar in my bottle already. Okay, with 1 square of tissue paper, you want to put about a teaspoon of baking soda in it and kind of form your little burrito. Just fold it up to where it's easily can go down in your bottle. Alright, this little activity is going to kind of demonstrate how airplanes with jet-powered engines work. So here we go, guys. Let me make sure my burrito is rolled up good and tight. We're going to drop it in there. Make sure it doesn't fall all the way through just yet. Make sure your lid is on there good and tight. Your chemical reaction will form a gas, and that's what's going to power your boat. Alright, let's give it a shake. And there it goes. Your own little jet-powered boat using chemistry. Thanks guys, hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, share, and comment. Kentucky County Extension Service. Show us your own boats. Now I gotta go find mine. Thanks guys.